I'm going to be showing you how to fix private browsing not showing on your iPhone. So to fix private browsing not showing on your iPhone, the first thing you need to do is access your settings. Just go to your app library and search for settings. As you can see, it's right there at the top. Just go ahead and open it. Once you're here, now you need to access screen time. Just scroll down till you find screen time, which should be right below focus. Just go ahead and tap here. Once you're here, you need to find restrictions where it says content and privacy restrictions. Just go ahead and tap here, and now tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. And right there you have web content. All you need to do is tap on this button. Once you're here, you need to select unrestricted. If you've selected any of the other options, then you might not find private browsing. So make sure you have selected unrestricted. And in this way, you can successfully fix private browsing not showing on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.